Hello! This is May 5th, and in my world that is 505 day. And what better day to start not showing off music, but showing off some of the musical equipment that I have in my studio. And among these things, so today, 505 day, I'm going to show you the Roland TR505. So this is Roland Drummachines are, so this is a drum machine rhythm composer. Roland Drummachines are usually very well known in techno and dance music, the TR808 and the TR909, and the TR606 is also very well-known device. There are a lot of other machines that are not as popular and not as well known. The TR505 is one of these. It is I don't think they come in any particular order, 303, 505, 606, 707 and so on, but this came during the 80s sometime. And one of the reasons this one isn't as popular is, I guess, the sounds. Which are today just normal 80s drum machine sounds. So that's why it's not as popular. But despite the fact that it has bad sounds, I know there are people who like this sound. I don't judge, but for my kind of music that I usually do, I also want the 808 and the 909 sounds. One of the really nice things about this, you have all the Roland programmability with a pattern play, track right, step right, and tap right. So you can record your drums in different ways and quite in a good live way as well. But one of the really cool things about this is that it has a very good MIDI implementation. So you can sync this with MIDI, so something else syncs this one, so you have another equipment and you can sync this to that equipment, playing the drum sounds in this or the patterns in this, and then you can have the patterns in this play the sound from another instrument. For example, I have the Novation drum station rack here, which essentially is a clone, not a clone, but a sound module with 808 and 909 sounds. So I can take the connect MIDI for that one, and if I press play, maybe so here are the original sounds, and then we have the 909 sounds instead. Here, 808 sound. So that way, with this in a live kind of situation, I can have an 808 or 909 by having this one and this one. So for that reason, that's the reason I bought it, and that's the reason I like it. Another thing you can do, you can, if you have a good percussive sound, you can also, if another MIDI cable to a synthesizer. So this is the Roland Juno 2 Alpha 2, nothing special. And if we do that instead, you can make melodies with this as well, because each of the drum sounds, bass drum, snare drum, all these have a specific tone, usually in the first or 2 octaves of the of a full-scale synthesizer. So, and then we can add the drum machine to this. Yeah, so gem in the forgotten Roland rhythm composer pile. I have a lot of different Roland stuff. So 505, the next one is 606, so I'll go through the TR606 next. Let's see if we can do something fun with this. I don't know. It's quite fun to just sit there and play with. So anyway, if you've been wondering what that is my next video, where the last video in the RGB anything Arduino sessions. So yeah, this was fun for me at least. Take care, bye.